Another preamble. Find B and C such that the quadratic inequality x squared plus bx plus c less than 0 has the given solution set. X is such that 3 less than x less than 5.
Typically, the NSMQ questions with calculations, you have 30 seconds to produce an answer. At the end of the video, with the tricks that I'll show you, you'll be able to solve these type of questions under less than 15 seconds. Okay? I also do record some of these videos in Tree. Please do check them out. The question is asking you to find B and C when you've been given the preamble x squared plus bx plus c less than 0 has a solution set of 3 less than x less than 5. With this type of question, the first thing you will have to do is write down the preamble, which is x squared plus bx plus c equal to, this is the formula, x minus r1 times x minus r2. You may ask, where is the r1 and r2 coming from? The r1 and the r2 are the roots of the inequality set that you've been given. And this is the solution set, meaning that 3 will represent your r1 and 5 will represent your r2. So anywhere you see r1, you put in 3. Anywhere you see r2, you put in what? 5. Good. So you have x minus 3, x minus 5. This is a simple algebraic expression. What you do is that x will multiply x, and then the same x will multiply negative 5. So when you do that, you will have x squared minus 5x. Minus 3 will multiply x, and the same minus 3 will multiply minus 5. When you do that, you're going to have minus 3x plus 15, because minus 3 times minus 5 will give you positive 15, because negative times negative will be positive, and 3 times 5 is 15. Let's simplify it further. You have x squared minus 5x plus 3x. It's like saying minus 5 minus 3 will be minus 8, right? And then you just add x to it, plus 15. Remember that we have the preamble x squared plus bx plus c. All that we are saying is that the left-hand side, pardon me, writing is very slanted, but anyway, all that we are saying is that the left-hand side equation is equal to the right-hand side equation. So x squared on the left-hand side is the same thing as x squared on the right-hand side. So when you have bx equal to negative x, this simply means that b is equal to minus 8. Okay? Similarly, c on the left-hand side is equal to plus 15 on the right-hand side. So c is equal to 15. This will be your solution. Okay? The hint here is that anytime you have a quadratic inequality of this form, x squared plus bx plus c less than 0, check to see if the coefficient of x squared is 1. And over here, the coefficient of x squared is 1. If the coefficient of x squared is 1, then the formula for finding b would be b is equal to minus open parenthesis r1 plus r2 close parenthesis. And I've told you that r1 will be 3, r2 will be 5. So over here, b is equal to minus 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 will give you 8. So it's going to be minus open parenthesis 8 close parenthesis. Minus 1 times 8 will give you minus 8. Therefore, b is equal to minus 8. Let's look at c. The formula for finding c is r1 times r2. So straight ahead, we just say 3 times 5. Therefore, c is equal to 15. Did you see how fast we were with this formula? Yes. So the bottom line here is that anytime you've been given this type of quadratic inequality where the coefficient of s squared is 1 with a given solution set of this nature, the formula for b is going to be minus 1 open parenthesis r1 plus r2 close parenthesis, and then c is going to be r1 times r2. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Don't be afraid of the big schools, okay? You got this. There's something I always say, that practice makes permanent. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.
Think, learn, become